How to change the front axle transfer case fluid in your Cadillac Escalade. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Let's start by looking in the owner's manual. You'll see in the lower right hand corner the transfer case actually holds 1.6 quarts of fluid. And if we look at the bottom of this page, it tells you the type of fluid that it actually takes. It's going to be SAE 75W90 and also gives the part number. And you can see a bottle of it right here. It's a 1 quart bottle, so you're going to need 2 of these. This page gives instructions for filling the front axle. You'll see it right in the middle of the page. It says when the differential is cold, add enough lubricant to raise the level from 0 millimeters to 3.2 millimeters below the fill plug. Now, I don't know exactly how you would measure that, so what I did was the second way, which is just below, where it says when the differential is at operating temperature, add enough lubricant to raise the level to the bottom of the fill plug. Basically meaning fill it through the fill plug until it begins to spill out. I have the wheel off and I have the car supported by a jack stand right there. If you look right here just beneath the axle, you can see the drain plug right here. And then if you look above right here, you can see the fill plug. So I'm going to take out the drain plug at the bottom, let all the fluid out, then replace it. Then we're going to take off the fill plug, fill it up, and then we'll be good to go. But before I do that, I need to remove this plastic cover at the bottom, and it's held in with 15 millimeter bolts and 10 millimeter bolts. I've got the plastic cover off, and there were 5 of the 15 millimeter bolts and 2 of the 10s. That's all you need to remove to get that out. And now we have clear access to the front differential, and we can begin to change the fluid. Make sure to get your drain pan into position. I'm going to loosen it with a breaker bar first, then use the 3/8 socket extension to take it out the rest of the way. So after it's drained, I'm just going to replace the plug. The fill bolt at the top is a 3/4 inch socket. And now I'm going to add the fluid. Before doing this job, I had just finished driving the Escalade, so it was at operating temperature. Again, we needed to be at that temperature in order to follow the instruction where it says to fill it until it begins to spill out. So it is at operating temperature right now. And with the video at regular speed, you can see that now the fluid is spilling out. It's completely filled up. Once it starts to spill out, that means you have enough, and I can replace the filler plug. And now I just need to replace the plastic cover. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.